Hi, my name is Garfield St.Hilaire, and this is my instructional video for AEP 800 Utilization of Technology. I'm going to be reviewing an application called Pixlr Editor. So let's get right into it. The URL is pixlr.com, and I've used this application, the editor version, to do some quick manipulations of images. It's a graphic manipulation software, and when I'm away from my computer or I'm on a laptop or a tablet and I don't have access to the Adobe suite, this is my go-to application. So once you get here, you can select which application you'd like to use, and for this particular video we'll be using the editor. So launch it, and once you launch it, you'll have a series of menu options, which is create a new image, open image from computer, open from a URL, which is pretty cool, or open from a library. I'll open one from my computer. And I'll select this image here. Once you select an image, and you'll see the layout, it's pretty similar to Photoshop if you've used it before. You'll have tools here, you'll have a series of menu options here, a few panels here, navigator, layers, and history. And you can get pretty creative here. You can, right now it's on my image layer, so I can go to adjust brightness, contrast, darken the image, adjust the contrast. I can add a new layer here, grab my paint bucket, and change the opacity of my paint bucket, and I can fill it. I can add another layer. I can add a typography layer, AEP 800 Pixlr editor. Let's make that white so we can have it pop. And there you have it. Let's add another typography layer there. We can change the size. So you can get as creative as you want. Now, again, this is an image that I grabbed from my computer, but this is an image that I actually have an appropriate license for. So, one of the standards that I do like to model is the ethical use of digital information and technology, TK1. And I think it's very important because in a day and age where we can just grab and copy and use things without the proper licensing, it just leaves room for a lot of issues. And I think it's just very important to use the proper licensing, and if you can't, then just grab another image that you can use a license for. Again, this was just a instructional video, but this particular image from ThinkStock, I do have the appropriate license for it, and so that's one of the standards that I really do try to emulate. Again, this is my instructional video for Pixlr editor, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.